In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put stop loss Moomoo. A stop loss order is a simple way to protect yourself if a stock moves against you. It tells the platform to sell your position automatically once the price reaches a level you choose. This can help you cap a loss without constantly watching the screen. On Moomoo, the process is straightforward on desktop, and it's very similar on mobile when you're using Advanced or Pro mode. Start by opening the trade ticket for the stock you're working with. If you see a basic layout, switch to Pro mode to unlock more order types. In Pro mode, you can also attach a stop loss when you're opening a brand new trade, which is useful if you want protection in place from the start. Next, look for the order type chooser. Change it from the default to either stop or stop limit. A stop order becomes a market order once your trigger price is hit, prioritizing execution. A stop limit adds a second control point, the limit price. With stop limit, you'll enter both the trigger and the limit. The trigger is what activates the order. The limit is the worst price you're willing to accept. Keep in mind that while a stop order aims to get you out quickly, a stop limit may not fill if the price gaps past your limit. Enter your trigger price carefully. Some traders place it just below a support level to avoid being shaken out by normal noise, but still close enough to control risk. If you're choosing stop limit, set a reasonable limit that reflects how much slippage you can tolerate in fast markets. Then, enter the quantity you want to sell and submit the order. Before sending, a quick review of your numbers helps avoid typos that could place the stop too tight or too far. On some versions of the app, you'll find stop and stop limit by tapping where it currently says limit and choosing the one you want from the menu. If you're on mobile, that's often the fastest way to switch order types. If you want protection that rises with a winning trade, consider a trailing stop. You set a trail amount in dollars or as a percent. As the stock climbs, the stop price moves up with it. If the price falls by your trail amount, the stop triggers. This can help lock in gains without manually updating your stop. That's it. With these settings in place, Moomoo can help you limit downside and safeguard profits while you focus on your broader strategy.